Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get and set up free ringtone on your iPhone. So this method will work any iPhone. So you just open your any browser, Safari or Chrome browser, like I'm open my Safari browser. Go to search option, search set to pixabay.com. Just go this link, then you get this site showing it to more option. I'm just select music or sound effect, select sound effect and showing it to more category, select any on and you just play. Okay, and press on to download option, press on download. Okay, now it's done. Now download complete. Open my file apps. So as you can see, I'm recently download this song. Press on share option, more, and press on use as ringtone. And now successfully set this ringtone. So that's it.